nights ahead. Quiet conditions, hardly any isobars across the country, and that's the reason. Now, we have had some showers as well. Those showers have been feeding down around western and northern facing coasts, and even one or two creeping along the English Channel. The odd one heavy, some hail and thunder, and we've got some patchy cloud too, but not much cloud in the south, and that's the reason why we've still got some patchy fog lingering around the western end of the M4 and neighbouring counties, and that's probably going to be there for the rest of the afternoon, and then thickening up this evening. Elsewhere it's going to be bright and dry with some hazy sunshine, but we will keep those showers going near to those coasts, and some wintry showers at that in that northern part of Scotland. Rather on the cold side everywhere, particularly so over those snowfields of central and southeastern Scotland. During this evening tonight, most of the showers fade away, but I think the odd one's going to keep going near the coast, or particularly the coasts of the north and west of Scotland. But the main theme as far as this evening and tonight's concerned, especially later on in the night, is it is going to get foggy. There'll be more of that freezing fog around than there was this morning, and we're going to find some ice on the untreated roads and pavements as well. Hardest frost of all, again in that central and southeastern part of Scotland, where you have some snow cover. Temperatures there as low as about -10, but a widespread frost just about across the whole country, with the exception of some of those coastal areas. Tomorrow we keep the quiet conditions, although there is a front creeping close to the southeastern corner of the country. That will bring a little bit of wind in and eventually some cloud and perhaps some spits and spots of rain. One or two fog patches lingering throughout the day in central and eastern areas of England, maybe some in southern Scotland as well. Otherwise, most areas after a cold and frosty start, again having some hazy sunshine, the odd shower persisting in the north of Scotland, rather more showery bursts coming along in northwest Scotland later on. I think we're going to end up with some fairly poor air quality as well with this quiet weather and the foggy conditions. The day after we find more isobars and some weather fronts pushing in across Scotland, and eventually Scotland and Northern Ireland getting more in the way of cloud with outbreaks of rain, but it stays quiet and foggy in the